Consumer choices are evolving, with an increasing preference for products and packages made from recycled materials. Sustainable Packaging Consumer Research 2023 reveals that 78% of consumers are concerned about plastic waste and 29% would consider purchasing more packages where recycled material is used. Ultimate goal should be for all our packaging to be made from responsibly sourced, renewable or recycled polymers, and to end the extraction of fossil-based raw materials. This lecture describes the importance of introducing the efforts for using recycled plastic packaging for food items. Major facts about the recycling of plastics are flashed on the screen. 42% of all plastic produced worldwide is used in food 0D packaging. Hence, responsible recycling processes in food packaging industry will reduce the carbon burden on environment. For ways of recycling plastics can be either reconverting it into similar or slightly different products. Many countries extract basic chemicals from used plastics during recycling. However, it needs sizable financial investment. Fourth form of recycling is burning through incineration for producing energy. This technique needs to be adopted with caution. Release of harmful products' vapors must be neutralized before reaching the atmosphere. The concept of 4R is flashed on the screen. The burial of any plastic waste should be the last option. It has now been established that plastics remain in landfills for decades. Using certified recycled polymers in food packaging is an important step towards decreasing reliance on virgin, fossil-based materials. Elver in France launched the first cap for beverage cartons with certified recycled polymers in 2022. Since then, new initiatives have emerged in Switzerland, France, and Finland. The certified recycled polymers usage in the caps, tops, and coatings of carton packages will reduce load on landfills as less will be transported for disposal. To achieve this, plastics are made of a mix of recycled and non-recycled materials. Creating cartons that are fully made of renewable or recycled materials, that are responsibly sourced, thereby helping protect and restore our planet's climate, resources, and biodiversity, contributing towards carbon-neutral production and distribution, are convenient and safe, therefore helping to enable a resilient food system, are fully recyclable. Sustainable Packaging Consumer Research 2023 carried out by Food Packaging Forum reveals that 78% of consumers are concerned about plastic waste and 29% would consider purchasing more packages where recycled material is used. All of us should prefer to buy those items which are packed in recycled containers, as it will allow reduction in production of new plastics, thus ultimately reducing the carbon burden on environment.